Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can install z3x box completely. Yes guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how we can install z3x box completely. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share the video with your friends. Yes guys, first of all you need to download this folder. Okay guys, this folder here you can see, and after download it, just extract this folder. Okay, this folder, and open it. And guys, in these days z3x Samsung Tool Pro version 34.3 is running. When it update, I'll sense this version, no problem guys. First of all, just you need to install latest shell. Don't worry guys, I'll give the link in my description. Just you can download from there. Okay guys, first install latest shell. Okay guys, click next and don't launch it. Okay, click finish now, and then just install the latest version of Samsung Tool Pro. Okay guys, simply click OK and click I accept, click next, click here and click next. Okay guys, and guys, I will show you how we can solve the Samsung z3x box smart card driver problem. Okay guys, and now install your smart card driver. Install this driver software anyway. Click again. Okay guys, click again. Click finish, and you need to go back, open card drivers. Okay guys, install if you using 32 bits, then click this version. I am using 64 bits, that's why I am going to install this. And just wait. Click next, click I accept, click next again. Okay guys, just click finished and go back, and guys, here you can see box driver. Just install this, click finish, and guys, now connect your z3x box with your PC. Okay guys, and here you can see driver software was not successfully installed, no problem. Now just go to computer and right click here and select manage, and then this screen will appear. Just click device manager. Okay guys, here you can see, double click this and click update driver, click browse my computer, click here and click here, and click next, click habit disk, click browser, and go to your folder. Okay guys, here, and guys select this. Okay guys, and select, if you use 32 bits, then select 86, and if you using 64 bits your Windows, then just click 64 bits and select, and click OK, and guys click next and click OK, and click here. Yes guys, as you can see, is z3x control port, it's clear. Insert again. Okay guys, now click shell to open this smart card. Is yes guys, and guys here you can see, just click Samsung Tool Pro, and guys it will take sometimes, don't worry, just wait. Yes guys, select your language first, language, and then click next, and guys select your screen. I'm going to select this screen and click next, and guys model name style is as you wish, which one is best for you. As I'm select this one and click next, and guys click next again, and tick this update to beta version. Okay guys, just click finish, and tick this one and click accept, and also click here and click enable. Okay guys, and wait. Yes guys, as you can see, your z3x box is running now. And guys, this was the tutorial for today. I will touch you the next one. Thank you watching my video, and guys keep watching my videos, and share the video with your friends. Have a good day. Bye bye.